Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money with Chase Bank. You can transfer money with a Chase account in several ways depending on who you're sending it to. So firstly, you can easily set up one-time or repeating transfers of money between accounts, and here's how. Firstly, you need to sign into the Chase mobile app and tap Pay and Transfer, and tap Transfer, and then choose Account or Brokerage Transfer and enter the amount, and choose the account that you want to transfer money from and to, and enter the transfer date and add an optional memo, and tap transfer and confirm the automatic transfer service. Or to transfer money between your own bank account, sign into Chase, go to Pay and transfer money, and add and verify your external bank account if you have not already, and choose the account, enter the amount, and confirm the transfer. And before you send money, double check the recipient's detail before confirming, and only send money with Zelly to provide you know and trust, since payments are generally not reversible if authorized. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.